Java Swing Component, JMenu and Menu Bar, presented by and created by Alex Osterneck, CLA, MSCS. We thank Alex for taking the time to present and create this 3-minute tutorial on Java Swing and JMenu. I'm Java Joe, your host for the presentation. Java Swing is a GUI toolkit for programming Java, used mostly as pre-built layout managers for event handling, such as buttons, text fields, labels, menus, and password fields.
Within Java Swing, JMenu Bar, JMenu, and JMenu items are part of the Java Swing package. Let's begin our SWN 661 presentation for today, May 20th, 2025.
What is JMenu? JMenu is a component of the Java Swing library. It represents a drop-down menu in a menu bar. It's typically used to group related commands under categories like File, Edit, Help. We use it here in our systems installs coded in Java to implement a user-friendly user interface for our systems to access some of the heavy equipment you see behind me. Here's the menu, hierarchy, JMenu. Bar is the top-level container which holds the JMenu objects. JMenu is what represents a single menu, for example, File or Edit. And JMenu item is what represents individual selectable items in a JMenu. Finally, both JCheckbox menu item and JRadio button menu item are special variants for toggle behavior. And here's the basic properties and methods. JMenu bar is the top-level container which holds the JMenu objects. JMenu is what represents a single menu, for example, File or Edit. And JMenu item is what represents individual selectable items in a JMenu. Finally, both JCheckbox menu item and JRadio button menu item are special variants for toggle behavior. There are also alternate use cases. Context menus are JMenu items, which can also be used in pop-up menus, for example, JPop-up menu. Dynamic menus are menus which can be generated at runtime based on user roles. And keyboard shortcuts are used to assign accelerators using set accelerator keystroke. Best practices for JMenu are 1. Group commands logically, 2. Use separators to divide related items, and 3. Avoid deep nesting for usability. So there you have it, 300 minutes of JSwing and JMenu condensed into 3 minutes. Thanks for joining me today for our brief review of JSwing and JMenu for our SWN 661 presentation. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime you might need assistance with Java, JSwing, JMenu, or any user interface experience issue when programming in Java. As we conclude, I'll reiterate the best practices for JMenu. They are 1. Group commands logically, 2. Use separators to divide related items, and 3. Avoid deep nesting for usability. The most commonly used methods are add and get item. It's time for me to get back to our AI factory and programming our heavy equipment robotics. Thanks again to Alex for taking the time to create this for us today. This is Java Joe saying thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and happy coding.